As a matter of fact, it's quite new that we discovered that there are small companies like this one, and we've been disrupted, perturbated at the beginning. But now we recognize that these are intrinsically part of an ecosystem we're living in, and we try on the one side to nurture them and not to capture them, because otherwise we'll crunch these small companies and they will lose all the benefit that they can bring to us. So we tend to create ecosystems around us and to live in good symbiosis with these small companies. We even created different accelerating teams. We created a corporate venture capital fund where we take sometimes shareholding in these small companies, located close to industrial sites, so it gives a capability to have exchanges between the small companies and the big mothership, to have fruitful exchanges between the small companies and the big mothership. Cooperation and internationally. As you know, Airbus is intrinsically a multinational company. We were built on the basis of German, French, Spanish, British, Italian, and some other countries. So we are used to work in collaboration. We're used to work different languages. We're used to work in different places. So this is part of a DNA. And hence the capability that we have, unlike maybe other companies or maybe some competitors, to work in a collaborative mode. And besides this, and specifically for space, in Europe, space has been created on the basis of European Space Agency and national agencies used to collaborate. And a significant portion of our business is done on collaborative programs run and managed by European Space Agency, which is de facto an international body. So it's part of the genes. That's the way we are used to work and to collaborate. So whether it's between French and German, between French, German and Spanish, or between Emiratis and French and Germans and British and Spanish. So this is the way we work. To pursue a career in space, there's only one thing. I mean, you need to be passionate. This is the only way it works. I can tell you what, when I was 14, I created a small club just to manufacture launchers, rockets, small rockets, 1 meter. It was absolutely a catastrophe. I launched 2, and 2 crashed. But nevertheless, I think it was a seed just to help me grow in the space business and just to make it the job of my life. So passion is everything. The rest comes afterwards. Yeah, you need money. But once you have passion, you find money. That's less an issue. So as you see, I have this. I'm proud of wearing this sweater for little engineers, which reminds me of the time when I was myself a little engineer a couple of decades ago. But I think this is absolutely important that we, from the early stages, when pupils and students getting used to this engineering, mathematics, electronics, get used to this type of disciplines, and that they grow in the sense of contributing and understanding that these are exciting jobs, and that not only you're working in the offices, but you are building a Mars mission, like you guys in the UAE are doing. I mean, this HOPE thing, besides the name, I mean, it's an amazing symbol for all this youth and little engineers who probably see themselves as the next engineers for the next HOPE mission. I think that's wonderful, and that's the reason why fundamentally Airbus supports and created this young little engineering program, because we believe that we need to foster excitement, passion for young and future engineers. What it will take, I think I will answer exactly the same way as your previous question. Passion. I mean, it's a question of passion. Yes, they need money. Technologically, we know how to do it. But we need passion and people who are driving it, leadership, able to convince the political bodies we can do it. Yes, we can. We know how to do it. It's just a question of will and passion.